This video will show you the Hyperx Armada 25 best setting. So the Hyperx Armada 25 is a 24.5-inch Full HD, which is 920 by 1080 IPS gaming monitor featuring a 24 Hz refresh rate and a 1 ms response time. Designed to deliver smooth and responsive time, gameplay. So for the optimal design setting is that we should use a refresh rate that is set to 240 Hz via your system's display settings to utilize the monitor's full potential. We can see it right here, which is the setting. We can adjust its frame rate, its color, the picture, what to input, and other things. We can also see here the level of time or frame rate or crosshair, whatever we have. We can set it to 5 because the gaming monitor is capable with this feature right here. So either way, you can set it into the fastest level, or if you want to have a smooth but quality, setting, is that I suggest to turn it into level 3 or just level 4.